In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a sway bar link on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Using a right angle pick, remove all the plastic caps. Get behind them, pull straight out. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 5 lug studs. When we remove this last lug stud, the wheel's going to want to fall off. Be sure you have a hand on the tire. Remove the wheel. Using an 18mm wrench, we're going to get on the nut for our sway bar link. We're going to use a 6mm triple square. We're going to hold our stud while we remove the nut. Remove the stud from the nut. Remove the sway bar link from the bracket. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom side. Use an 18mm wrench and then that 6mm triple square. We'll hold the stud and remove the nut. Remove the nut. And remove the sway bar link. Remove the nuts on either side of the sway bar link. Install the sway bar link into the bracket. Get the nut started. We're going to use a 5mm Allen bit to hold the stud while we snug down the nut. Get the nut nice and snug. Install the sway bar link into the top bracket. Get the nut started. Snug the nut down. Get the nut nice and snug. Torque the sway bar link nuts to 70 Nm. Do the same thing on the bottom. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Torque the bottom sway bar link nut to 70 Nm. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the wheel. Get a lug stud started. Snug it down to hold the wheel. Get the rest of the lug studs started. Snug them down. Using a 17mm socket, torque the lug studs to 103 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the plastic caps, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.